Now I want to go for what here? JavaScript promises. Very, very important, sir. Promises are used to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. Asynchronous means I didn't understand. Somebody will call to one service, somebody will call to somebody, and they will come back. So whenever response comes, who will handle that one? JavaScript promises. So that's why I'm telling promises are used to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. They can handle multiple asynchronous operations easily and provided better error handling than callbacks and events. So we have a concept called callbacks, events. When compared to them, JavaScript promises can handle asynchronous operations easily. It is recommended. So promises having 4 states. One is fulfilled, rejected, pending, settled. Fulfill means action related to promise is what? Succeeded, fulfilled. So action related to promise is what? Succeeded. Action related to promise is what? Failed. If your action success, fulfilled. Your action rejected, not failed, rejected. Pending means promise is still pending, not fulfilled or rejected. Settled means promise has fulfilled or rejected. So total how many states? 4 states. So how to create this? How to create here? We need to take new promise, function, resolve, reject. If it's true, it will execute this. False, it will execute this. Means for fulfilled, resolve. For reject, reject. So now you can see here, I'm taking one simple example to you so that you can understand easily. So in the script only, we should write the code. So tell me, I have taken a new promise. And this new promise is having what here? One function which is having what? Resolve, reject. So what I'm calling? Resolve. What I'm calling? You can give anything. So now we should use this promise. Promise is having what here? Then what I'm telling? Function, success message, display that success message. Success message means what? I have talent. So see this. Here the output will come what here? Refresh. Console.log we are using now. What I'm using here? Console.log. Otherwise, what we can use? Document.writeln. Better. You can see the output on browser. So see this, refresh. Any mistake we have done? Huh? Refresh. F12. Any output? No. Okay. So let me go to the what here? Console.log only. I did not do a. Okay. Refresh. Script I did not close, right? Yes, I did not close the script. That is a problem. Now I did. So everybody now focus here. Refresh. What is the name is coming here? I have talent. Otherwise, you can take a document.writeln. 1 second. What is coming? Why it is coming? Because you can see what you wrote. Resolve. Resolve is a one parameter or not? Resolve means it will go to success message. For example, if I'm going for what? Reject. Reject I am telling, and here I am telling quality thought. So tell me, this is a success message or error message? Error message. See this? It will go to the error message. Understood my point here now? So first one is for what here? Positive response. And this is for what here? Negative response. Means for success message and error message. What we can use? Promise. Promise is having what? Then. In then total how many functions I am using? 2 functions. So I'm not happy with this. I'm not happy with this. So what we can do, we can go for what here? Example 3, which is more interesting one. More interesting one. This will be the last example, don't worry. See here, I create a promise. I have taken 2 variables. What are those? I have talent 1, X and Y. Now tell me, I'm using double equals to or triple equals to? Triple equals to will check the data type as well as values. So tell me, both are same, huh? So tell me what it will go. Reject means it will go to then or it will go to catch. Catch. What's the message will come? Some error has occurred. So refresh, go to F12. Some error has occurred. So here you can see here. Now same thing if I'm writing here. I have talent. Now tell me both are same. Where it will go? Resolve. Resolve means promise is having which one? Then. So promise is nothing but is having then and catch. Then means positive response whenever it is coming. Catch means negative response. I will give you one simple idea to you. See here, assume that I want to work with APIs. I want to work with APIs. This is my JavaScript. Finish guys. I will wind up. This is my JavaScript. And here there is a one API is there here. API. Let's say you can see here. There is a what is coming? 35 degrees Celsius now. So this is known as what here? Climate API. What API? Climate API is there here. Climate API. It will give always climate in our computer. So I want to display the same climate details in the web application, in my website. So what I need, I want to call that API. I should call that API. I will call that API. I will call the API. I will call the what? API. So when you call the API, we will use promise only. Promise will say it is what here? It is then or what here? Catch. Understand my point here? Now tell me if API is giving the data. So tell me where it will store. Then. If API is not giving the data, error is coming. Where it will store? Catch. Understood my point here now? So please understand that one. So it's a very, very, very important that you need to understand what promise is doing. So successful success for errors, it will go to the catch. Same like try catch. Here we call what? Then catch. In promise. So tell me, why do we use promise? Promises are used to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. Understood my point here? No? So give one example. Promise, create promise object. See this? Create promise object with what here? Resolve and reject. Write any condition here. To call resolve, to call reject. So if resolve means then, reject means what? Catch. Understood my point here now? So this is all about today's class, sir.